Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If 1672 2 by 2 matrix is given equal to P plus Q, where P is symmetric matrix and Q is Q symmetric matrix, then we have to find the matrix P. Okay. I give important point. Any square matrix can be expressed uniquely expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Matrices. Okay. Therefore, A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. This is equal to P plus Q. Where A plus A transpose by 2. A plus transpose of A by 2 is symmetric matrix. A minus transpose of A by 2, this is Q symmetric matrix. Therefore, P is equal to symmetric matrix. This formula A plus transpose of A by 2, where Q is skew symmetric matrix. This formula A minus transpose of A by 2. Okay, our target is find the value of the matrix P. So our target is P. P is a symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix formula A plus transpose of A by 2. So let us take given matrix is A. A is equal to 1672 equal to P plus Q. Okay. Therefore, P is equal to 1 by 2 times of A. What is A given? 1672 plus transpose of A. So transpose of 1672, it will be 1762. So 1 by 2 times of sum of these two matrices, 1 plus 1, 2, 13, 13, 2 plus 2, 4. It will going to be, so 1 by 2 multiply to every element of this matrix, 1, 13 by 2, 13 by 2, 2. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. So a 3 by 3 matrix is given equal to P plus Q, where P is symmetric and Q is Q symmetric, then we have to find Q symmetric matrix. Okay. Any square matrix uniquely expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, where P is equal to symmetric matrix. Okay, this is A plus transpose of A by 2. And Q is equal to skew symmetric matrix. So this formula is A minus transpose of A by 2. But our target is Q symmetric matrix. 1 by 2 times of, so what is A given? 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 minus transpose of A. So transpose of given matrix is 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 5, 2, 1. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of subtraction of these two matrices, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4, 1, 0, 0, minus 4, 0, 0. Okay, it will going to be 1 by 2 multiplied to every element of this matrix, 0, minus 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0. This is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, look at the next question. So 5A value given 2 by 2 matrix, 3 minus 4, 4x where A is orthogonal matrix, then we have to find X value. Okay, what is given? Where A is orthogonal matrix. If A is orthogonal matrix, then A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. This is the definition of orthogonal matrix. So let us take one relation. A into transpose of A is equal to I. So what is A given? So 5A value given 3 minus 4, 4x. Therefore multiply. So divide 5 on both sides. A is equal to 1 by 5 multiply to right side of the matrix. It will going to be 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 4 by 5 and x by 5. Okay. Now write A. What is A? 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 4 by 5, x by 5 into, so transpose of A. So transpose of this matrix. So first column will be changed into first row. Second column, what is second column? Minus 4 by 5 and x by 5 is a row. Second row is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. But our target is x value. Okay, why? Now first we should multiply this 2 by 2 matrices. First row multiply with the first column. Okay, x present in, our target is x. First row multiply with the second column. First row multiply with the second column. So A12 element in right side matrix is 0. This is A11, A12, A21, A22. So we should multiply first row and first column. 3 by 5 into 4 by 5, 12 by 25, minus 4 by 5 into x by 5 minus 4x by 25, it will be equal to 0. So let us do LCM 25. Okay, it will going to be 12 minus 4x by 25 equal to 0. So let us do cross product. 25 into 0, 0. So 12 is equal to 4x, therefore x is equal to 3. Let us go to the next problem. So matrix A 2 by 2 given, then A is first option idempotent matrix, second option nilpotent matrix, third option orthogonal matrix, fourth option symmetric matrix. So what is idempotent matrix? If A square is equal to A. What is the nilpotent matrix? If A power n is equal to O. Okay. So what is orthogonal matrix? A into A transpose equal to transpose of A into A is equal to I. What is the symmetric matrix? If A transpose of A is equal to A. First we have to find A square value, where n belongs to n. So first what is? Okay, first we have to find A square value. So A into A. So what is A given? Lambda mu, mu square minus lambda square minus lambda mu into lambda mu, mu square minus lambda square minus lambda mu. It will going to be first row multiply with the first column. It will be lambda mu into lambda mu, lambda square mu square minus lambda square mu square 0. And first row multiply with the second column. Lambda mu cube minus lambda mu cube, it will be 0. Second row first column minus lambda cube mu plus lambda cube mu 0. So next value will be 0. This is null matrix. Output is null matrix. If A square equal to O, so second option correct. If A to the power n is equal to O, therefore A is called nilpotent matrix. In this A square equal to O, where 2 is called index of given matrix. Index. Okay. So option 2 correct. Okay, moving to next question. In the statement A 3 by 3 matrix is given and 4 options are given. First option is idempotent matrix, nilpotent matrix, orthogonal matrix, symmetric matrix. First we have to find A square. A into A. So what is A given? 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. It will be first row multiply with first column 4 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 6 minus 4 2. First row multiply with second column minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 plus 8 minus 2. Okay, next same. So similarly remaining elements. So this is nothing but A. If A square is equal to A, then A is called idempotent matrix. First option correct. Okay, look at the next question. So on 2 by 2 matrix is equal to transpose of 2 by 2 matrix is given, then we have to find R value. Okay, what is given? R plus 4, 6, 3, R plus 3 equal to transpose of given matrix. So transpose of this matrix is 5, R plus 5, R plus 2, 4. Now these two matrices are equal matrices. Corresponding elements are equal. Therefore R plus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore R is equal to 1. Okay, look at the next question. So given 3A plus 4B transpose equal to 2 by 3 matrix and 2B minus 3A transpose equal to 3 by 2 matrix, then we have to find B matrix. Okay, so let us take equation 1. 3A plus 4B transpose equal to 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31. Now taking transpose on both sides, it will going to be 3A whole transpose. We have Ka whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. So constant 3 into A transpose, transpose of A, 4 times of B transpose whole transpose, we have B. So B transpose whole transpose equal to B. It will going to be transpose of this matrix 7 0 minus 10 6 17 31. Okay, this is the equation 1. So what is the equation 2? Write 2B minus 3A transpose equal to minus 1 18 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus 7. But our target is the matrix B. So let us do adding. 3A transpose get cancelled. 4B plus 2B, it will be 6B is equal to sum of these two matrices. Okay, 6B is equal sum of these two matrices. It will going to be 6B is equal sum of these two. 7 minus 1 is 6. 0 plus 18 18. Minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. 6 minus 6 0. 17 minus 5 12. 31 minus 7 24. So our target is B. B is equal to, divide 6 on both sides, 1 by 6 times of this matrix. So this is nothing but 6 by 6, 18 by 6, minus 6 by 6, 0 by 6, 12 by 6, 24 by 6. It will going to be 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. This is answer. Thank you for watching remaining problems. I will explain on coming class.